بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ السلام علیکم دوستو، کیسے ہیں آپ سب؟ امید ہے آپ سب خیریت سے ہوں گے۔ ویلکم بیک ٹو مائی چینل۔ آج کی میں اپنی اس ویڈیو میں آپ سب کے لیے ایک ایسے لے کے آئی ہوں، حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وآلہ وسلم، اور اس کا دوسرا نام ہے، اگر یہ آئے گا تو آپ نے تب بھی یہی لکھنا ہے، تو دوسرا نام ہے اس کا مائی فیورٹ پرسنالٹی۔ جو بھی آئے گا تو آپ یہ لکھ سکتے ہیں، اس سے آپ کو پورے ہی نمبر ملیں گے۔ تو چلیے اس کو سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں۔ نمبر 1 is every person has a favorite personality as well as ideal person. Number 2 is Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam is my favorite personality. Number 3 is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam was the last prophet of Islam. Number 4 is he was born on 12 Rabiul Awwal in the city of Mecca. Number 5 is his father name was Hazrat Abdullah and his mother name was Bibi Amna. Number 6 is his father Abdullah had died before he was born. Number 7 is he was brought up by his mother, grandfather and uncle. Number 8 is his childhood as well as youth was very pure and pious. Number 9 is people called him Sadiq and Amin. Number 10 is when he was 40, he declared his prophethood. Number 11 is he began to preach Islam. Number 12 is the Quran is our holy book. Number 13 is it was revealed by Allah to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Number 14 is it is in Arabic and has 30 parts. Number 15 is it is full of knowledge and wisdom. Number 16 is it guides man completely. Number 17 is it tells us how to live in this world. Number 18 is we should recite daily. Number 19 is the people of Makkah opposed him, but some person accepted Islam. Number 20 is at last he migrated Medina. Number 21 is he established Islamic State there. Number 22 is Islam spread over the whole Arabia in few years. Number 23 is the mission of the Holy Prophet ﷺ was completed. Number 24 is he passed away when he was 63. Number 25 is his holy tomb is in Medina. उम्मीद है आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. मैं कोशिश करती हूँ कि आपके लिए अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोस लेके आऊँ ताकि आप इससे मुकम्मल फ़ायदा हासिल कर सके. अगर आपको मेरी ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो दूसरों को भी ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा ताकि दूसरे भी इससे मुकम्मल फ़ायदा हासिल कर सके. और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दीजिएगा ताकि मेरी नई आने वाली वीडियोस आप तक ज़रूर पहुँच सके. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.